ready to share those game-changing moments captured with your Veo 3. Let's get your recordings uploaded and out there. First, make sure your Veo 3 camera is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone or tablet. Open the Veo camera app on your device. Tap the Recordings tab at the bottom of the screen to access all the videos stored on your Veo 3. Select the recordings you want to upload by tapping the checkbox next to each one. You can choose individual clips or select all. Once you've chosen your videos, tap the upload button. It usually looks like an arrow pointing upwards. Now, choose your upload settings. Select the desired video quality. Lower quality is faster, but higher quality gives you the best viewing experience. You can also select to upload to the Veo platform or other platforms. The app will now start uploading your recordings. The upload time depends on the size of the files and your internet speed. Make sure your device stays connected to Wi-Fi during the process. If you're uploading to cloud storage, the Veo platform will handle this process, or you may need to follow the prompts to log into your desired cloud service. Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a notification. Now your amazing Veo 3 recordings are ready to be shared with the world.